Did you know that your body is made up of elements that are hundreds of thousands of years old? I know it's a bit hard to take in, isn't it? But it's true. We live in a culture that treats us as isolated individuals. You were born, you had experiences, now fix yourself. But that's not how traumas and humans work. Your body, despite whatever age is on your actual passport, is built from hundreds of thousands of years of living. You are literally made up of your ancestors, which means you've inherited two things: their gifts and their unfinished business. So Thomas Hubble, he's a great modern day mystic. He identified four types of ancestral codes that we all carry, and I have found the framework of these four ancestral codes made this all seem a bit easier to get my head around. So the four types are forgotten, frozen, active, and future. And understanding them changes everything. It made such a difference to me when I got a grasp of these four types of ancestral codes. And in the next video, we'll look at explaining the forgotten codes. So stay tuned.